Hello and welcome to We Can Go Friend. Today we're talking about something that many of us may take for granted, lakes. On August 27, the world observes World Lake Day, a relatively new United Nations observance created to raise awareness about the importance of lakes and the need to protect, restore, and sustainably manage them. Now, why are lakes so important? Let's provide fresh water for they support agriculture and industry. They provide habitats for fish, plants, and wildlife. They also support tourism, fishing, and local economies. But according to United Nations, there are more than 117 million lakes across the world, covering nearly 4% of the planet's land surface. But these important ecosystems are under pressure. Pollution, overuse, and climate change are affecting lakes across the world or around the world. Waste and contaminants can enter water systems. Changing temperatures can increase evaporation and alter water levels. And when lakes are damaged, the consequences can extend beyond the water itself. Communities, farmers, fishermen, wildlife, and entire ecosystems can be affected. So, World Lake Day is not simply about appreciating beautiful lakes. It is a reminder that water is life. Protecting lakes means reducing pollution, using water responsibly, protecting surrounding ecosystems, and supporting sustainable management. And this message is relevant to Nigeria and Africa too. Wherever communities depend on rivers, lakes, wetlands, or other freshwater resources, protecting those resources should be everyone's responsibility. We may not all be scientists or environmental experts, but we can all avoid dumping waste into the waterways. We can conserve water. We can educate others. And when we can, support efforts to protect our natural environment. Because when we protect water, we protect life. I am Wika Gofin. Inform, inspire, create awareness.